Guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can get this free link in bio template with pop-up. So first of all, you need to create a system.io account using my link here, and you need to open it on the same browser like this. Because this is a free account, so you only allowed to have 3 funnels and 15 steps max. And this link in bio funnel has 8 steps. So if you max out the steps, when you import the link, it will not work. Okay, so make sure that this is a brand new account is better, or if you have a paid subscription with system.io, is much better. So on the same browser, you will click on this link, hithanhdotcom/free link in bio template. Just click on that and it will immediately go to the funnels right here. Just make sure that you already signed in here. If I load this again, I reload it, you can see that the funnels is right here. And now you will see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps in here. It depends on the offer that you have on your link in bio page that you can remove the steps here. If you have 2 offers only, you can remove number 3 offer and the thank you page. So for the first link in bio switch page, you can click on edit page right here, and you will see there are multiple links that you can add in here. You can change the image right here, you can change your name to what you do, and for the links like this, you can click on anything and you can change anything that you want. For the image, because I don't want it to be shown on my mobile phone because it will be a lot of information. So if you click on this picture and you scroll down and you choose desktop, it will be shown on desktop only. But if you choose on mobile as well, it will show on both like this. However, I don't want, so I click on like this, as you can see here, right? And next, if you scroll down, you also see this is the information about me, and you can change everything here to your information. It's pretty simple, guys. You gotta learn some skills to edit your funnel with system.io. I have a list in my YouTube channel that you can go there and watch for free. And you can click on this mobile preview button right here, and you can change anything like this. All right, so if you want to link the link to your offer, for example, if this is an offer like this one, if it is an offer, you need to grab your link in bio step. For example, if it is the first offer, you can copy this link and you need to put in here. Click on the button and open URL, and you can post the link in here. Okay, so it's pretty simple. And how about the pop-up? If you want to change or edit anything about that, the pop-up I use for my lead magnet right here, free fearless guide to passive income. When people click on that, let me show you how it goes. I need to open it like this, and if people click on free download now, you will see this is a pop-up, right? And you can change info in this as well. So what you will do is you see the pop-up right here, click on that, and you click on this icon right here, and it will show, and now you can change anything that you want. You can click on download now, and you can click on make sure that you choose submit form and to the next steps like this, so that you can collect the emails leads, and then you can do some email sequence follow-up after that. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for the tutorial on how you can edit the funnel with edit this link in bio template. There are different steps that you need to do. However, it will be really long, so this is a basic one that I hope it helps. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on my Facebook at hithanhdotcom /daily pay site. You can also message me on this Facebook. This is my fan page, and this is my real name in Vietnamese, Thanh. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any help, just message me. Okay, this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye bye.